So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add places on Life360. So the first thing you should do is to go ahead and open up your Life360 app. Once you have it opened like this, if you want to add places to it, you will need to go to add a new location. Now the way you can do that is to scroll down, and then not just scroll down, so you can see your check-in, your people, pets, then some items and your locations at the bottom. So just expand on the app that's underneath the map. You can see the people that are there. You can see your pets that are there. You can see your items and your places on here as well. So if you click on add place, you can choose the option to add a new place to here. So you can see the option to add your home, add your school, add your work, your gym, and your grocery store. And then you can just choose to add a new place on here. So that's different. There are different ways to add places. Starting off, if you want to categorize them within certain categories. So if it's your home, you want to select it as your home. If it's your favorite gym, your favorite movie theater, something like that, you can add it like that. But you can also add it as a new place, and you can locate it on a map, and it's going to be really helpful for the app to have those places already memorized, so you don't have to add them each time, and you can more easily access those places within your map. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel or click the notification bell to get notified about new videos about Life360 or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.